How to use Pipedrive Advanced Sales properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Pipedrive is a top-tier CRM for managing sales pipelines and closing deals faster, but beginners often make mistakes that slow growth and waste opportunities. Most people get this wrong, but here's why mastering the platform is essential for maximizing results. A common mistake is not fully customizing your sales pipeline. Pipedrive allows multiple pipelines, stages, and deal fields tailored to your business. Beginners often stick with the default setup, which can create confusion and inefficiency. Customizing pipelines ensures your team can track every opportunity, forecast accurately, and prioritize high-value deals. Another error is neglecting activity management. Pipedrive tracks calls, meetings, and emails automatically, but beginners often fail to log activities consistently. Missing follow-ups or overdue tasks can cost deals. Using the activity scheduler and reminders ensures your team stays on top of every opportunity. Underutilizing automation is another trap. Pipedrive offers workflow automation for repetitive tasks like sending follow-up emails or updating deal stages. Beginners often handle these manually, which wastes time and increases human error. Automating routine actions frees your team to focus on high-value interactions. Reporting mistakes are common too. Pipedrive provides dashboards and reports for forecasting conversion rates and sales performance. Ignoring these insights prevents data-driven decision-making. For example, reviewing stage conversion rates highlights bottlenecks in your pipeline, helping you optimize processes for higher close rates. Finally, poor integration choices can limit Pipedrive's effectiveness. Connecting email, calendar, and marketing tools allows a seamless workflow. Beginners often operate in silos, losing visibility and coordination. Integrating systems ensures every tech point is tracked and actionable. To use Pipedrive Advanced Sales properly, customize pipelines, track activities, leverage automation, monitor reports, and integrate tools strategically. Avoiding these common mistakes transforms Pipedrive from a basic CRM into a powerhouse for efficient sales management, higher conversions, and predictable growth.